Look at Sophia's hair because
I don't like it.
You have commented about her bangs. Still, a lot of people did not know what really happened.
So basically, I was kind of bored. So I took a nail clipper and I was like, I just put it against my hair. I started cutting it. I didn't think it would cut it that short. And I saw a whole chunk of hair come out, and I was like so shocked. So then, to fix it, I tried cutting it more, and it didn't work out well.
Oh, but now it looks nice, right, guys? Look. See? She did it by herself. She's big girl now. You have witnessed how she has grown up. Yeah? Nung maliit siya, nag-start kami mag-vlog when she was 5 years old. Right? And now she's 11. She will be turning 12 in January. Now you have witnessed her, how she grew up, and she's a really big girl now. Next year she will be high school. That's it, that's life. More 2 weeks more and we're moving to Czech Republic. Sana subaybayan niyo pa rin kami sa aming buhay sa Czech Republic. Malamig ngayon dito sa England kahit summer. Kahinto lang ng ulan. Yeah, here we are. Time to ship our things to Czech Republic. Andito na yung big truck. Yan. At yan yung driver. So itong bagahe na to, hindi to sa amin. Yun yung naunang kanyang customer papuntang Paris. Then next is I think Romania. And then next is Czech Republic. So it takes time for him to reach Czech Republic. So maybe 5 days to 6 days. Yeah. Si boss, oh. Manager, oh. Boss manager. Laki ng truck. Tama, laki ng truck niya. Yan. Pero siya lang mag-isa, grabe. Wala siyang karelyebo na driver for how many days driving. Marami talagang naglilipat na ng mga taga-England papunta na sa yung mga originally kung saan sila galing sa Europe. Tamo, 3 pamilya to. Ikalawa pala kami, may pipick upin pa siya. Saan ba yun papunta? Paris, darling, no? Paris, France. And then the next one is Romania.
Czech Republic.
And then next one is Czech Republic.
Czech Republic.
Yeah.
That's us.
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna be difficult how we're gonna speak to Milan. The piano. Bye-bye. Hey. Them.
Piano.
Piano Italiano. Piano.
You go first. No, it's okay. It's okay. We'll take it. No, it's okay.
No, was.
Are you sure?
Go.
Yeah.
Package. Small package.
Okay.
Small package.
Careful, yeah. At the back.
This is the heaviest. Okay. 1, 2.
So, almost done. Wow, it was very fast. Nice exercise. Nice clean bed. Flat. Here is a worker number 1. Sophia downstairs, worker number 2. And here's a worker number 3. I am the head of the operation.
This is it. Yeah, ready to go to Czech Republic. Yes. Wow, big one. Leaving now. All the things inside the van. Biyaheng Czech Republic. Pero sabi niya, France muna siya, Czech Republic, and then Estonia pala. So, 3 country ang kanyang babiyayan. Ayun. All empty. Empty now. The flat is now empty. So, the remaining is sofa. Pero ito, bibigay namin to sa bagong dilipat. What can you say, Pinkay?
Nice.
Nice? What can you say?
I don't know.
Oh.
It's that feeling, you know? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
What we've done? Should I pack more? Should I put more?
So, ang natitira ay yung aming luggage na bibit-bitin.
I think that everything.
Yeah, everything. So, makalat talaga ngayon dito. So, ito, bigay namin to sa charity.
Yeah.
Right? Charity, darling?
Charity, rubbish, garbage.
Yeah. Everything.
Everything, yeah. Everything.
Okay, time to clean or when we're gonna clean? Sa Starbucks kami ngayon. Nagre-relax after our personal belongings being shipped to Czech Republic. Time to relax.
Another step in our plan, another step in our going forward to Czech Republic.
Masaya kami kasi at least understand need ko na kung saan kailangan namin i-ship yung mga personal belongings namin. Na-ship na namin sa Czech Republic. So, darating sa Czech Republic mga 3 days from now o 4 days. Kasi dalawang country yung pupuntahan niya eh. France, pero after France ata Czech Republic, and then after Czech Republic, Estonia.
Yeah. It was quite difficult, right? Because he was Romanian and we didn't speak English.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, we understood each other.
Yeah.
So, ganun dito, may mga kumpanya na hinahabil from Europe para lang ganyan ang trabaho nila, mag-ship ng mga personal belongings ng mga move back to Europe o yung Europe move back, yung mga British na tumira sa Europe moving back to England. Yun pala yung trabaho nila. Yeah, at least natapos na yung libro na yun. Ito kami mag-relax. Pakapi-kapi.
Now is another part which we need to get rid of the stuff which we were not able to take. Some we're gonna leave behind. So difficult for me because I have personal bonding
attachment.
Yeah, for everything.
It's okay. That's part.
I think that I would be hoarder. I am a kind of hoarder.
Time to go to church. Tapos na kami magkape. Mga 1 hour din kaming nakaupo dun sa loob ng Starbucks. Nagkakape si Hana kasi si Hana gusto ni Hana yung... What did you put on your coffee?
I had a coconut
milk?
Coconut milk at morning shot.
I had black coffee with butter inside. And that
Homemade.
was not from Starbucks. It's a homemade. Hindi dahil sa nagkukuripot ako. Pero talagang yun pag umaga. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Yung black coffee. Tawag ata nila yan, bullet coffee. So black coffee with butter. A little bit butter. How about you, Pinkay? What did you have?
I had a chocolate straw.
Chocolate straw.
Yeah.
That's nice. Now, church time. Church time. Kasi linggo ngayon eh. Kaya, araw ng pagsimba at araw ng kantahan, pagkikinig ng salita ng Diyos, to inspire and to encourage ourselves, yung spiritual food. Parang spiritual food yan yung pupunta ka sa church to meet up your brethren in Christ, to encourage one another and worship the Lord God in spirit and in truth. And that's it, yeah. Ganoon naman talaga pag tayong mga human being dito sa mundo, hindi lamang nabubuhay sa kain, sa mga daily activities natin, kundi yung dapat may panahon din tayo na magsimba para sa Panginoong Diyos. Let's go to church. What can you say, Pinkay? True? Ang aking makapangyarihang brownies uli. Tignan nyo. Yun, masarap yan. Kay Ate Vicky. Ate Vicky, yung nagtanong ka sa akin kung ano yung mga ingredients ko sa pagluto ko ng sarili kong brownies. Ito yon: organic oats, dark chocolate 85%, 2 banana, mash ko yan, 1 avocado, peanut butter, mixed nuts, pinisa-pisa ko, tsaka chocolate chips, whole chia seeds. Yan sila. Huwag nyo na pong itanong sa akin ang sukat niyan kasi patsamba ang aking sukat. Estimated lang. Pero kung ina-avoid nyo yung sugar, go for this. Masarap din. Kasi ito nagpapasarap, nagpapatamis din ito. Yung peanut butter, dark chocolate, avocado, banana. Ito konting chocolate chips. Dark chocolate ito. Ito. Hindi ko naman inubos. Yung on top lang yung ganito. Papakita ko sa yung pagkalagay ko ng sa top ko ng chocolate chips. Tingnan natin. Kasi yun, no? Yun. Top yan, chocolate chips. Yan lang lahat, Ate Vicky. Never mind this. Never mind. Kihana to. So, scones. Hinati niya yan. Nilagyan niya ng butter at saka strawberry jam. Minsan, kumakain din ako niyan. Yun. Kaya tapos lang ni Japit Boy mag-exercise. At sarap talaga mag-exercise pag araw-araw. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Depende sa lakas nyo. Pero minimum ako 35 minutes o 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Nag-legs ako ngayon. Combination ng HIIT o HIIT training with dumbbells. Legs. Okay? Yun lang ang ginagawa ni Japit Boy sa araw kasi panghapon ako. Ito, wala na. Yung aming staff nga, personal belongings, nasa Czech Republic na. Bukas, dating sa Czech Republic. Ito, bigay ko to sa landlord. Lahat ito. Yan, lahat yan. Bibigay ko sa landlord. Pati yung kama namin. Yan kama namin. Amin yan Binili ko yan. Yan. Pero tinanggal namin yung bedsheet na. Pero kanya yan. Ito. Kama, kanya to. Pasensya na kayo. Oh, yan, tinulugan ni Japit Boy. Hindi ko pa natupi. Pero kailangan pagdating niya na, talagang hindi na ito gusot-gusot. Para iwas sa, alam niya na, batok. Joke. Hindi ako binabatukan ni Hana. Pero syempre, magtatampo yun. Bakit? Kung hindi mo tinatupi, kailangan tupiin. Kailangan pagigising ko, hatid ka agad kay Sophia sa school. Pagbalik ko, yun, luto ng aking brownies. Exercise habang yung brownies sa oven, nag-exercise. Pero magluluto pa ako ng ulam. Ang oras is alas 11:30 ng tanghali. So, yun. Magluluto pa ako ng baboy with talong at saka bell pepper. So, ito ko to. Talong at saka lalagyan ko ng bell pepper. Ito, KFC to, bumili kami kahapon para kay Sophia ito pagdating niya. So ito, i-recook ko to. Ako may gawa niyan. Pero alam niyo na, pag mahigit na 24 hours, medyo dry na, kaya i-recook ko siya. At syempre dadagdagan ko ng karne. Ano kaya idadagdag ko dito? Ito or pork shoulder. Ito pork mince din yan. Is kailangan maimbak ka. Chicken wings, chicken legs. Ito tinapay ito ni Sofia. Ito sa ilalim. Ito veg. Ito dried fruits to. Hinahalo ni Sofia to sa yogurt. Paborito niya to. So yan lang muna, i-recook yung ito para ito lulutuin ko rin yan. Parang chicken breast steak. Ito paborito ni Hana. Ito basta yung mga lean meat. Paborito ni Hana yan. Yan. So, boiled egg. So ang pagkain ko nito, 3 boiled egg. At saka 2 nito. Talong, basta may halong talong. At saka bell pepper. At saka aubergine. Yun. Sapat na yan sa tanghalian. Okay. Shower muna si Japit Boy. Pagkatapos ng shower, luto. Ito na siya, oh. Ate Vicky, ito na siya, oh. Yun. Katatanggal ko lang sa oven. Kailangan palamigin ko siya ng mga 30 minutes. Tamang-tama yan. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower, kakain ako ng pananghalian. Ito ang aking dessert. Healthy a bit. Yan, di ba? Sarap. Pag kumain ako niyan, isang slice. Isang slice lang. Huwag yung talagang, kasi kuwan pa rin ako ngayon eh. Parang, hindi naman low carb diet. Kumbaga, mas maraming protein akong tinitake. Tsaka veg. Kaya sa carbohydrates. Yan. Pero, hindi na ako nag-uumad. Hindi na ako nagwa 1 meal a day. 2 times a day na akong kumakain. Pero nag-intermittent fasting pa rin ako hanggang 18 hours. 18 to 20 hours. Ganun lang. Kasi naman kain ka ng kain. Tataba ka. Heart attack ka. Hindi natin alam yung, kung narinig niyo yung balita sa Pilipinas, yung famous sports anchor na si Chino Trinidad namatay sa heart attack. Dahil yun sa mga bad cholesterol eh. Yung siguro yung blood nagbumara at wala ng oxygen papasok sa puso ng tao. Awan ko lang, hindi naman ako expert, pero kahit paano nagbabasa ako kung ano yung mga sanhi. So kailangan talaga daily exercise, 30 to 45 minutes or 1 hour. Tubig. Say, okay? Iyon! Katatapos lang mag-shower, katatapos lang mananghalian, dessert ni Japit Boy. Tapos magtitimpla ako ng kape. Subukan natin to. Ito kasi malaki. Tingnan nyo. Ganito ko lang yan. Dito lang ako kumakain. Naka-slice na yan ng 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 slices. The best. Ito yung aking coffee. Tingnan nyo. Soya milk ang nilagay ko at saka minix ko sa almond milk. Sarap talaga ng parang Starbucks. With yun. Yan. Ayos na ayos. Pasok na sa trabaho. Oras is 3:30. 30 minutes pa. 30 minutes lang naman from here to university. So yun, pasok na sa trabaho. Kailangan pagdating ni Hana, malinis na, nakatupi na. Ganyan. Bago madat na ni Mrs., kailangan malinis yung lugar. Maayos. Para kahit pagod siya, hindi maging aburido yung utak. Okay. So, pasok na sa Japit Boy. Ito yung huling week na aking pasok sa trabaho. 5 days more to go. Monday ngayon, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Resign si Japit Boy. At, yun. Goodbye, Manchester. I did not expect that we're gonna catch up each other.
What's that?
How's work, darling?
Yeah. All right.
She just really arrived. Yeah.
Tired. I feel tired today.
Tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you cook for us?
A lot.
A lot?
Just check there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, okay. At ako naman ay talagang paalis na. Darling, I'm going now.
Okay.
Bye.
Wow.
Bye, darling. You're getting tall. You're getting taller.
Who? You?
You. Dala dukot ah. Okay. Bye. Bye-bye. Okay na.
Bye. Okay na.